boys they know on the blueprint, they wanna be me so I yeah. But they know if you be me, they don't get flavor na banya.
For the day one viewers, then that's feeling different, you know, since I started this Kenyan run, see if you know what I like to see already. Like, yeah, see that?
Reaction.
Boom! What's the way to be some travelers aka the reaction boss? And I'm back in with another video for you guys. Comment on this list to see your comment. Right there, the next video that I post. Now we hear a song from Blaqbonez. You see me, I say it came out yesterday, 1 day ago. The song is called ACL. You hear me? We're gonna give it a reaction right now. A little throwback to a previous video I did from what's his name again? I forgot the name already, I'm gonna lie to you. Calligraph Jones, you feel me? So apparently they were having like a musical battle, this tracks go back and forth. And I didn't know that was why. Yeah, I recommended the song, I reacted to that song. I think it was called Best Rapper in Nigeria, something like that. Yeah, you feel me? And then I looked up this name and I found out, oh, yeah, cool. But I'm trying to give you this reaction. You came out today. I'm trying to give you some more updated videos and not just like throwback, you feel me? Throwback songs. So when new music comes out, you feel me? Give you some reaction to those too. So guess what? Let's get straight to it. Leave a like, comment, subscribe. Let's go. And I think this song is in English, so. Anyways, Rancho.
So don't worry about it. It's cool.
You finished playing already?
Yeah, I'm gonna take a look.
He dying, huh?
Don't worry about it. It's cool. Don't worry about it.
Oh, we finna rap.
Look, yeah, boys they know on the blueprint, they wanna be me so I yeah. But they know if you be me, they don't get flavor na banya.
For the day one viewers, then that's feeling different, you know, since I started this Kenyan run, see if you know what I like to see already. Like, y'all see that? Like, y'all see, yeah.
They wanna be me so I yeah.
Yeah.
But they know if you be me, they don't get flavor na banya.
Yeah.
May they not tear their ACL, cause they won't flow like black. Fail rappers turn into internet gangsters.
Fail rappers turn into internet gangsters. Go on.
Anti-what? More like anti-success. They don't get motion, maybe they need a wheelchair. No fit tell their guy the truth, they got suck dick for live stipend. But they go sleep tonight if you tell Loga say that shit is I've been pulling strings, made the machine work for me.
Yeah.
Whenever I need PR, they be like my employees. So much the Lulu think he's a king, but he's a
I ain't gonna lie. Shawty is right. Let's go though.
I make a move, watch how his mouth go start to run. I can't fight like Eddie Hazard, oh, that's Sabi my paro.
Yeah.
She still get flashback, so hit flash. Summertime, I splash on that hole. I dey on hit, but do not back to back, oh. Yeah, straight raw, we know they add tobacco, huh? When I come out, so rockin' like Dwayne Johnson, presidential, huh?
Yeah.
Rolly presidential, huh? Nigga, I'm monumental, huh? Who them be? Niggas inconsequential, huh? Just a bunch of whack niggas will drop out for kindergarten, huh? Boys they know on the blueprint, they wanna be me so I yeah. But they know if you be me, they don't get flavor na banya. May they not tear their ACL, cause they won't flow like black. Fail rappers turn into internet gangsters. Anti-what? More like anti-success. They don't get
More like anti-success, more anti-social. Oh my god, let go.
gangsters. Anti-what? More like anti-success. They don't get motion, maybe they need a wheelchair. No fit tell their guy the truth, they got suck dick for live stipend. But they go sleep tonight if you tell Loga say that shit is all that agriculture where they give us confidence go soon off. They got time to rap with me, the machine goes to knock. Make it they doing high life, they go, make it they sing high note one day.
How can I pay attention when that letter go on in the background, dog? Oh my gosh. Oh my days.
Like go make it a suck or dick or low show anywhere belly face it they go. Raise and shit, the machine is faulty. You go need quick recovery. Best people go soon turn 50. Used to be him but risky. Now he don't cast his finish. Every day all about black is tweeting. Anywhere where cloud day you see him, old man. All you really want is greeting. Person go think say they co-sign them. You just want ride their wave. End of the month, Elon Musk go pay. Talk anything we go cost go pay. Wait, another dog eat dog. Put that shit inside the boys they know on the blueprint, they wanna be me so I yeah. But they know if you be me, they don't get flavor na banya. May they not tear their ACL, cause they won't flow like black. Fail sense. They depend, but they go sleep tonight if you tell Loga say that shit is Yeah. Huh.
This is recent too. It's in September.
He's sending DMs before 8 in the morning. He's giving obsessed. He loves me, hates me, wanna kill me. He's giving unstable.
Is this another diss track? Like, give me the backstory right now. I wanna know what the fuck going on right now. I ain't finna read all this shit. I ain't gonna lie to y'all.
Remember the ID I sent was Yaba left. I was trying to help you. If you touch me before you talk to God, then I'm your religion. If it was 2019, I'd be posting some memes and shit. But I had to grow up, be an OG and shit. Leave some things for the kids and shit. Let it all speak and shit. The wrinkles on your head should tell you where I'm really going with this.
At this point, like, is he a real controversial artist or something, y'all? Let me know. Go on.
Credit where credit is due. Thank you. Cause you showed me who I didn't wanna be and shit. Charlie Constantino, missing my Jella, I'm out in the front row. I stay fly like a pilot. Your belly look like you swallowed a stylist. I'm still numero uno, expensive.
Nigga say it's still number one.
This what they like stylist. No go tell ACL, trying this type shit.
Give me the backstory after Blaqbonez, the artist. Yes, me drop it down in the comment section. Let me see what going on. I wanna know what's the story behind all these songs and it's like what's going on. Cause it seems like he's a very, very controversial artist. I wanna know what's going on. So I'm gonna edit this for y'all, drop them up for y'all. See y'all in another one.